Divine greetings, masters. Very good evening, good morning, and good afternoon. This is Madhu Soni, welcoming you all to Light and Soul Meditation English Group. Thank you so much for being here, masters. Thank you for sharing your time, space, and energy with all of us. Um, so, masters, as we spoke yesterday, definitely we had two beautiful sessions on wisdom sharing. One day it was on knowing your abilities, strengths, and weaknesses in belief system, and then yesterday we had this wonderful wisdom on salt rituals, protection, and cleansing, or clearing, whatever it is, but it would have a part two as well. So today we are not going to discuss anything. We are just going to start with meditation. But if anyone has anything to say, definitely Sunita ji was saying, you can say that again, Sunita ji, so that people get that message and we can also share that message with everyone. So go ahead, please.
I just want to thank you, Madhu ma'am, for your wisdom sharing.
No, no, thank you so
And
much.
everyone who shares, we learn a lot, from their experience.
Yes,
So
yes,
thank
and
you
that
so,
was
so
right.
much. And I
Thank you so
enjoy your
much.
session.
Thank you so much. So here we were talking actually, and that was not recorded. So we wanted to record it also. So here it is on the recording masters, whoever listens to it. The point is that I want you all to help me share your experiences. When you share your experiences, how you faced your struggles and challenges and how you came out of it. That means a lot because it helps awaken people. It helps awaken everyone. Because now people in the society, community, world, whoever listens to this recording, they will come to know that they are not alone in this fight. They are not alone. They are not fighting alone. Everyone goes through that. Everyone has their own soul plan. There is something more to our lives than just going through our routines, everyday routine, work, busy, schedule, eating, whatever it is. But the thing is, we can do it and we did it. So now it's time that now we share this thing, wonderful wisdom to everyone, how our struggles made us strong or how we came out of it. Now we know, now it's like in a jiffy we can come out of our struggles or challenges. So this is what I want to teach everyone. This is what I want to bring it to the society, the world, community. And I want you all to help me with this so that now you all start sharing. Now in future we would be definitely doing more swadhyas, more wisdom sharing sessions or something. But till that time, let us prepare ourselves so that in the time that is to come, we are sharing something with the world because it will go out there. So prepare yourself, masters. Anything that you want to say, Deepak ji? I see you unmuted.
Yes, once again, Atmavandan to all.
Hath Vandan ji.
Well, there's something which is amazing and beautiful which he shared, uh, Mahesh ji. Well, uh, uh, by name of, it's a real story, not like a fiction. He says this person who is a judge retired now,
Mhm.
and to a senior judge, chief judge. Now, when he is going towards Igatpuri temple,
Mhm.
while he's walking down, somebody calls his by his first name, Kunal, Kunal. So he was shocked. He looks around and he couldn't find something. And again, that loud become the louder. And he saw there was a beggar beneath with
Yeah.
bandages and all.
Yeah.
And then told him, he says, how, I mean, how do you, he
Yeah.
says, how are you calling me? How do you know?
Uh-huh.
He says, yes. Do you recall that you as a lawyer, practicing lawyer, you
Uh-huh.
saved me from getting, punishment? He says, I did crime, I did things, but because the law which you could manage to relieve me, and I got, relieved out of the punishment you get.
Mhm.
But he says, now, that man says, now, please listen to me. When I went back, I continued doing that, and therefore the where the society I lived in, the village I lived in, they shooed me away, and then there was lot of other things happened, and I ran away from different places, and a stage has come that not only mentally but physically, I don't even have two square meals. I'm begging here and sitting down,
Mhm.
and then he lightened words which he told that particular beggar told him, listen, you saved me, you forgive me. But there is a closed circuit camera above who's 24 hours watching me, and I'm getting that punishment for what I did wrong. So be aware. that 24 hours closed circuit camera is on top of us, which we think no, nobody's watching me. This is because that I got it. It's so beautiful, I tell you. Now, whenever you think, a minute, whenever you do anything, you say there's one camera on top of you, watching you, and you're going to
Yes, and
get.
that was my day
It's a
before yesterday's session on grace and goodness in the Hindi class. I think I took it on, I took it yesterday, I think, right? Grace and goodness, or day before yesterday. I took the same session, that there are masters who are looking at us. There are masters who are looking at what we are doing, how we are behaving, and they give us grace marks. They give us that grace. So be in their grace, that yes, you are doing something good. You should listen to that. You should listen to that, Deepak ji. I will share. If you haven't listened, go and listen. Everyone masters. That Hindi session on grace and goodness, Anugraha or Achai. ये आप देखिए. It is really wonderful. I meant to share something very different. I prepared myself, okay, for the class. But when I came to the class, I give my regards to all the masters, as I do every time. And I said, whatever needs to come out, you help me and let it come out. Now, when I started speaking, something else came. Like something else was coming out of my mouth. It was, I never expected that I'm going to share, but I shared. So please go and hear. And this is all on the recording in English class. But thank you for listening to me, masters. Thank you, Deepak ji. Anyhow, let's go and meditate, masters. Okay. Thank you. So we are going to meditate for 1 hour straight. Okay. And it would not be any guidance that much, masters. Okay. Let's begin. So take your positions, masters. Clasp your hands and fingers. Close your eyes. And be with your breath. We are going to do Anapanasati meditation. And as you know, we are going into Purnima Dhyan. We are having this July full moon, also known as Buck moon, Buck full moon, because during this time, lot of bucks can be seen. But apart from that, this is also Guru Purnima. 21st July, 21st July is Guru Purnima, where we give our regards to our teachers, our gurus, our mentors. So my regards to Pitama Brahmrishi Patriji and all the ascended masters, all the guides, guardian angels who are here, and all the divine beings who are helping us, guiding us, who are teaching us through meditation, or whoever it is who came into our life, who gave us certain wisdom. We are really grateful and thankful to all those masters. So my dear masters, today it's not full moon, it's a day before, but still we are under the influence of the moon's energies. The moon's energies are quite high, and it actually has a lot of effect on the water bodies on planet Earth. The same effect goes on into our bodies as well. The water in our body is also being pulled by the full moon energies. So masters, if you are feeling excited, or you are feeling emotional, or anything, it is due to the full moon's energy. So meditate and let's positify our hormones that we have in our pineal gland, pituitary gland, and hypothalamus. So as we meditate, we become more and more positive due to the influence of the pineal gland. When it de-stresses, when we become peaceful and calm, these hormones that releases, they become so positive, it goes into our organs and relaxes our mind, heart. It relaxes many of the bodily diseases. It removes it. So let us meditate, masters, with the group energies, whoever it may be, wherever we are. Let us also invite and invoke the pyramids from the astral world. As we meditate, masters, as we inhale and exhale, let us relax our crown, our facial expressions, our head, our neck, relaxing our hands and shoulders, arms, keeping our back straight and relaxed, feeling each and every breath coming inside our vertebrae, our spine, going through all the chakras, feeling rejuvenated with every breath. Every part of our body is being recharged. And every out breath that we release, we become more and more lighter. The heavy energy goes out. So inhale and center yourself, masters. Focus on yourself. Focus inwards. Let each in breath enter your heart, your lungs, your gut, your stomach. Let it enter the lower half part of your body. Feel the vibrations of every breath coming inside. So, my dear masters, as you breathe in and breathe out, take this rejuvenating life force energy into you. Let it relax you, rejuvenate you, and calms you down. Feel the peaceful energies coming in from head to toe. Now relax your body, ground your energies into Mother Earth, and keep your concentration on your breath. Let go of your body's consciousness. Let go of your name, fame, identity, thoughts, anything that you gained, lost, or was removed, or you felt trauma, pain, any thought process. Let it go at this time and just breathe in and breathe out and relax yourself and go deeper and deeper into your own inner self. As you inhale and exhale, also invite and invoke the white light from the universe, which comes into our body through our crown in the form of a pillar. The light looking like a pillar, the white light shining so bright. It is expanding inside us, removing all the darkness, heaviness, toxicity out, entering our headspace and going down into our feet and into Mother Earth. Now come back to your frontal part of your nose or onto your third eye. Inhale and exhale and become one with everything, masters. I'll be sharing music. Let us go and meditate with music. Be with your breath, masters. Every second, every moment counts. Use every breath to your advantage. with your breath, Master. Every breath takes you on a higher level of consciousness. It helps you go deeper within yourself and higher in the consciousness. Be with your breath, Masters. Become one with everything. My dear masters, now very slowly and steadily, let us all come back into our body's consciousness. Very slowly, let us take a deep inhale and exhale. And whenever you feel ready, masters, let us all come back into our body's consciousness. Straighten up our spine, our neck, our head, and whenever you feel comfortable, unclasp your hands and fingers. Give thanks to Mother Earth and Father Universe, and take your time. Now, unclasping your hands and fingers, let us keep the hands for 5 seconds on our eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And whenever you feel ready, masters, you can open your eyes, beneath your palms, let go of your hand, and come out with a beautiful smile. Thank you so much, masters. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, master. Anyone wishes to share their experiences, or if anyone has any questions, please do let me know. Thank you so much, masters. I see no one has anything to share right now. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, thank you. Masters, if we are good for today and there's nothing to share, experience or anything, that's totally okay. Have a good night and have a happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend, masters. And also tomorrow there will be class because it's Purnima. So evening time we will be having Purnima Dhyan. And then Sunday there will be no class. Okay, masters. So just letting you know, maybe we'll have 2 hours of Purnima Dhyan if you wanted to, if you all wish to. So I'll definitely share the flyer. So whoever wishes, they can come and join 8:30 to 10:30 for CST time. And for EST, it would be 9:30 to 11:30. And if anyone, like an India time, it would be from 7, morning 7 to 9. So, yeah. Okay, masters. So let me know what are your thoughts about it. Thank you so much. Thank you, masters. Thank you. So, masters, may we all be happy, healthy, and vibrant. May we all help ourselves by changing ourselves, doing our inner work. Let us teach and do meditation every day. Let us awaken people. Let us do Purnima Dhyan with group. And also, let us be happy, healthy, and vibrant. Let us be positive and have miraculous thoughts. Thank you so much, Master. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Madhuji. Yeah, definitely. We'll be there. So for evening time, we will be having 2 hours of Purnima meditation tomorrow. But Sunday, it will be off. Okay, Masters? Just letting you know. Because I'll be going to I'll be going to Michigan to bring my daughter back. So I won't be here. So I won't be able to do on Sunday. But Saturday I'll be doing, okay? Thank you so much, Masters. Thank you.